Hello students, this is the fourth lesson in the series of guitar chords. In the previous lessons, we have already covered some basic major chords, which were C major, D major, and E major. Those chords are not so tough to learn, I guess. But the chord that we will going to learn in today's lesson will be your tough time on guitar learning. Today's chord is considered to be the toughest chord to learn because of the one thing that involves in it, which is called bar. We are talking about F major chord, a first bar chord. So, the chord that we have learned so far are called open chords or power chords because those chords are having some open notes. But in today's lesson for F major chord, instead of playing open notes, we will use a bar that we will discuss at the end. But firstly, let's see what all we will going to learn in today's lesson. First, we will learn all the chords that can be played under F major chord. Then, we will derive our F major chord using major chord formula. To learn all this, we have to look to our F major scale. So, our F major scale will be F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E and F again. We will give these notes some numbers for our convenience from 1 to 8. Also, we will mention the Roman numeral representation formula so that we can find out the nature of each and every note. Capital numeral represent major chords and small numeral represent minor chords. Using this formula, the chords we get are F major, G minor, A minor, B flat major, C major, D minor and E diminished. These are the basic chords of F major scale. Let's see some more chords in the F major family. They are F major 7th, G minor 7th, A minor 7th, B flat major 7th, C major C dominant 7th or C 7th, D minor 7th, E diminished and E minor 7th flat 5. It's time to learn our major chord formula, which is 1, 3, 5. Using this formula, we can easily find out the participants of F major chord. Could you find them? They are F, A and C because they are placed on the position 1, 3 and 5. So, our F major chord will be F, A and C. Let's see how to play these three notes to derive our F major chord onto the fretboard. Now, in the diagram, the first thing that I want you to notice is that there is written bar. The same bar that I have introduced to you earlier. The F major chord is the only chord that are not played with open notes because of the notes that comes under it. They doesn't have an open position. Now, the other thing to notice here is there are 6 notes on each individual strings on different places for one to play. Earlier, we usually only have to play maximum of 4 notes on C major chords having 2 open notes. In D major chords only 3 notes and E also 3 notes. But in F major chord there are all 6 notes that has to be played in order to achieve F major chord. So to solve this problem we use bar, that means F note on 6th string, C note on 2nd string and F note on 1st string will be played by our index finger by holding a bar on the whole fret. Means we have to hold the whole fret with our index finger. Now the rest of notes can be easily played with our remaining fingers, which are note C on the 5th string with ring finger, note F on the 4th string with pinky finger and note A on the 3rd string with middle finger. Now let's see all the notes once again, starting from the 6th string. 6th string, 1st fret, index bar is F. 5th string, 3rd fret, ring finger is C. 4th string, 3rd fret, pinky finger is F. 3rd string, 2nd fret, middle finger is A. 2nd string, 1st fret, index bar is C. 1st string, 1st fret, index bar is E. Now it's time to play it. Now, as I told you already that it will be tough to hold a bar, but if you practice and adjust your index bar, you could easily be able to play the bar chords. Our main goal is to play each note clear and crisp. That's all for today's lesson. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe and practice more.